early park again. It's a busy day though, so gosh knows how long this queue is going to be when we actually get through there. But we're going to Ministry this time. See how that goes. Busy.
It's not supposed to open for 2 hours.
Yeah, it's not supposed to open for a long time, but we reckon it'll open early.
It's nice to say it was shutting down.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness, this is a busy one. That is crazy. Look at it, there's so many.
Wow.
It's 9:19 and we're almost at where they load us onto the ride. So we've done really well here. Good job. Straight on the ride. And even though they said it was opening at 10, it's now 9:33 and we're off. Still early park admission. What a win.
It was amazing.
Look at this now.
You'll go outside even.
Crazy. Really good job. Entrance all the way down there, and the queue is still coming out around this corner. All of those people are still queuing for that ride.
It's so great that they walked us around the entire land just to get over there. We went through there all the way around the back and then over. I wonder why. I wonder why they don't just walk you around.
Because they need to start the queue. They need to get the queue to walk that direction. They're only wanting one train on here, not both. So we did really
It's a bit
well.
sad, but actually so quick still.
Yeah, and it's only just about to be 10 o'clock and we've done Stardust and Ministry of Magic rides. Now we're heading over to the Dragon Land just as it opens.
This is the best we've ever done.
This
is what I was saying. We should do Mario. And now I have regrets that we did Mario twice and we didn't just go to Ministry.
Yeah, I mean, this has been pretty fast.
We'll do Ministry twice as well.
We got off Mario really fast as well, but then we would not waste the time after that.
Yeah.
No, this is good. "35-minute wait for this. Sun is coming out. It's a warmer day today. I've got the shorts on. You're still wearing a coat and jumper.
Basically no top.
Uh-oh.
Let's just ride it out. We've done so well.
Yeah. And then some food. Food and coffee.
Okay there, Vikings, get ready to see Burke in a whole new way. Toothless, are those wing gliders here already? I'm still working on a launcher. I almost forgot the wings. For a wing glider, that is clearly the most important part. When you fly like this, you'll see Burke better than any dragon could.
Don't press it, Toothless. Don't press it. Keep pressing.
Toothless. Good news is you all get to see a bronco nest up close. Bad news is bronco eggs explode when they hatch. Looks like there's a way out up ahead.
Oh no!
You're trapped in the exploding bronco nest.
The bronco nest is going to explode.
Yeah, it's worse. It's officially worse. Here we go.
we going to go see?
The Wolf Man.
The Wolf Man and the...
Creature of the Dark Lagoon.
Yeah, and...
Frankenstein.
Yeah, and...
The new Frankenstein.
The new Frankenstein.
Invisible Man, no.
No, he's not in this ride.
Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera.
No, Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Dracula.
And what's the lady called?
Bride. Oh, Victoria.
Victoria.
Frankenstein.
Good job.
And there's another. The Mummy.
The Mummy.
Is that it?
That sounds like all of them to me. And who else?
And Igor.
And Igor.
No one knows who he is.
Everyone knows who Igor is. I'm about to show them Igor. He's just up here.
Guys, fill in all those gaps, please.
There he is.
In your hearts. You're right. Don't be afraid.
It's Igor.
I am Igor.
A monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There is nothing to fear. Show them.
What's that?
Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment.
Okay, it was a 190-minute wait for this. We've gone in single rider line. We've just walked in. See how long it takes us to get on the ride.
I reckon half an hour.
I reckon 20 minutes. And we're on. Well, we had a great morning. It's only 1:45 now. We're going to go back for a little rest in the hotel because we absolutely smashed this morning. Got pretty much every big ride that we needed to in the park. And then this evening we're going to go back to Islands of Adventure to hopefully get my last rides on VelociCoaster before it shuts, but it's still dark, and use our fast pass that we got yesterday for being screwed over by it. And then that'll probably be the last time at Universal there. And then
I think we're going to go tomorrow as well.
oh, I thought we were doing just Epic Universe tomorrow now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
It's getting cold. Today's the last warm day for while we're at Universal anyway. Yeah, so see how that goes. Anything you want to tell the vlog about your experiences today?
I can't believe we got Ministry of Magic in 20 minutes.
Yeah, that was
It's normally 240 minutes. So
that was a really intense time.
rush. And then, it was really good. Everything we did today has been 20 minutes or less, I'd say. Would you? We did anything Hiccups was maybe more like 30.
Yeah, 30 or lower for sure. But the Mario Kart single rider was up. Yeah, and it was posted at 190 if we got that on normal. So single rider's good as well.
Yeah, really, really pleased. I'm looking forward to VelociCoaster and Hagrid. If it is the last time, otherwise we'll just do it tomorrow.
Right, the nap is over. We napped a little bit longer. Well, I napped. Maybe went in the pool. We're going to try and get some food reasonably quickly because it's almost 5 o'clock and the park shuts at 8. So we want to get some rides in this evening because it's really going to be cold tomorrow and the next day. So it's our last proper full day that they'll keep all the rides open because it's warm. So some quick food. I'm thinking Tootham's Chocolate Emporium has a good facade, but it might take a little while, so we'll see. Okay, assuming they'll let us in, that's where we're going to go and eat. We don't want to wait too long, so see how long the wait time is, but we're going to get some big fat burgers. Wow. Oh, food is digested.
Digested, it's just in here.
How was that?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a really good
Really
burger.
nice restaurant.
We like that.
We only sat at the bar, but actually nice.
Yeah, the bar was useful because we were trying to get in this park quickly to ride VelociCoaster, and guess what? VelociCoaster's delayed. Well, bloody waste of time. I swear, if I don't get on VelociCoaster again this evening, I'm going to throw a hissy fit like a small child. The sun is setting, and I want my night rides. So fix it. Because if we get another...
on the Hulk.
We can go on the Hulk. No, my head hurts. Was that VelociCoaster going around? I definitely just saw VelociCoaster going around. In the distance. Hagrid's after riding the Harry Potter ride, and just as we were going to get on it, it's become delayed. So the fast pass that we got yesterday, we're going to now go back to VelociCoaster and use it on that. Is the new plan.
I've set a reopen alert for Hagrid's.
And then we'll come back to Hagrid's and maybe try the single rider line, see how that goes. Can't believe after all this we're going to end up using the fast pass on the VelociCoaster anyway.
We literally said we'd be stupid not to use it on Hagrid's.
Yeah.
Running out of time.
Okay, that video I took literally 30 seconds ago about us going to VelociCoaster.
Let's hope it's not 175 minutes.
Hopefully our sadness on Velocity yesterday is going to be worth it. And we can be one of the people we're really angry at that goes in front of everyone. Money wins queues. Spend money, get on Hagrid's fast. The queue is at 210 minutes and we're about to get on in 30 minutes. He said 45 at the start. It's 35 past and I think we got in at 10 past, 10 to.
That was amazing! We got front row.
That was worth everything that we've ever been through for this. We got on Hagrid's in 40 minutes through the fast pass in the night, and we got front row. And Libby gave me the bike. I couldn't believe it. That was one of the best roller coaster experiences I've ever had. That was so cool. The night ride on Hagrid's is great, but oh wow, that was really good. That made me very happy. And we've got 15 minutes till the park closes, so we're going to make it to VelociCoaster, I reckon. Hopefully it doesn't close, but we can make it.
I'll keep it up.
Let's go! Right, here we go. VelociCoaster at night. Let's get it done. It'll be a really good evening.
I love Hulk that it's lit up.
Yeah, Hulk looks pretty cool in the distance. And then when they come, the trains have all the lights on when they come launching up. Hopefully you'll see in a second. Except that train isn't lit up. 8 o'clock. Everyone's running. Oh. They're arguing though, because they're not fast, they're not express bars. He ran into express bars and got in the wrong queue. And now it's closed. We're on another free express pass for a VelociCoaster queue.
Phone, bag, any item
Look at the drones going.
I mean, you can't make out what they are. But...
No, that's Peach, isn't it? Maybe? Wow, that's pretty cool. That's in the other park. Dessert has arrived.
Okay. Is you okay?
That is the size of the spoon. Wow. This is where they're building a new...
You think new
Fast and
supports
Furious.
to you.
Yeah, new Fast and Furious ride. Around the back of Hard Rock
These are
Cafe.
old supports.
I didn't think the ride came back this far. Oh, maybe it did actually.
The station was
Yeah, I think you're right. I think these are old.
These are Rip Ride Rockets.
I didn't think it went out that far though. There you go. That's a little secret for you guys. Top tips
How
with
did
us.
you know about it?
I saw a video about it. Behind the Hard Rock Cafe is a piece of the Berlin Wall that you can go see. Apparently lots of people knew about it though, because there was about 10 people there. But there you go. Fun facts with Jordan and Libby.
We've seen the whole thing.
We have seen the whole thing in Berlin. Who knows why this is in the US, but I'm gonna go look at some shopping things now and then go to bed and have one more full day at Universal. Sad.
We could have a whole day on Sunday, but we're choosing to travel to Disney.
Well, it's -4 as well, so I think nothing will be open. It was a good warm day though. This was definitely the best day I think out of everything that we've done. We were the most productive today with all the great rides at Epic Universe and then all the great rides here at Islands Adventure, all in a good, and with a nap in the middle.
And I went in the pool.
And you got burnt, really burnt. You see that? Does everyone see how red that is? Silly woman. Now we're going to go out clubbing because it's the nightlife.
Yeah, it's open till midnight, I suppose.
No, I'm going to bed. Don't be silly. There you go, Hard Rock Cafe. Go round on the right. You'll see the Berlin Wall. Okay, on our way back to the hotel, we have made a purchase. We found a nice cool t-shirt with the old school Universal logo. I almost got a jumper, but I changed my mind. Will you film my current jumper just so everyone sees how cool I was when I...
Yeah.
That's my cool VelociCoaster jumper that I wore last year. It just has Jurassic World on the front, which isn't as interesting, so...
I have my Universal.
Yeah, a cool zip hoodie. But I couldn't even see this VelociCoaster jumper today, so it might be limited edition now, the one I'm wearing. How cool am I? Maybe I'll get something in Epic Universe tomorrow when we're done. But then we've still got Disney stuff to get afterwards, so we'll see. Don't want to buy too much because we just won't wear it unless we're at Universal or Disney. Off to bed now and Epic Universe again. We're going to try and do the same thing with Ministry of Magic in the morning, so see how that goes. Bye.
These kids are really annoying though.
Oh really?
They keep cutting.
Like you?
No, but like they're small, so they just don't cut. Kind of look like
Wow, we're back in France.
The girl had
That's
nice,
cool, that's the map. Tell me about the girl.
The girl had nice white toweling trousers, so look nice.
You got nice trousers.
Thanks. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. That's what you look like when you're season.